You might be starting to learn Chinese words and phrases, and you wanted to give it a spin. And then when you have started to practice and they suddenly ask you questions, and you're gonna ask yourself, what is this question all about? I don't understand. So if this happens to you, give me your comments below. I would love to hear your experience. And we are here to see how we can help you. If you want your best interest on how we can elevate your skill for you to learn Chinese faster and more efficiently. 你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？ Is this familiar to you? This question means, what's your name? 你 means you. 叫 means called. 名字 means name. 什么 means what. 你来自哪里？你来自哪里？你来自哪里？ Can you guess it? This means where you come from. 你来自means come from. 哪里 means where. So if you want to form the sentence, it's 你来自哪里? Do you get it? Go ahead and rewatch the video and practice it. 你好吗？你好吗? I'm sure you have heard this before. 你好吗 means how are you? 你好 means hello. 你好吗 means how are you? So, how are you? This is one of your most common questions, and you must know this by now, hopefully.
你会讲中文吗？你会讲中文吗？
What does this mean? Eventually, you might hear this question. You might hear they're asking you something. Do you want to guess it? Let me know in your comments below. This question means, can you speak Chinese? 你会 means can, which is describing the ability that you can. Can 会
讲
means speak. Zhongwen means Chinese language. And as you know, ma is the sentence question particle. 你几岁? 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 I'm not sure if you have heard this because sometimes this might be a little bit sensitive question, especially for women. So maybe you might guess it. This means, how old are you? How old are you? 你几岁? 岁 means age. 几 means how old. So how much in a quantity form. What if you wanted to ask like kids? What if you want to ask the kids? Will it be the same or will it be different? For kids, it's going to be different. You're going to ask them 你多大?你多大?你多大? So literally, if you want to translate it, 多, how big are you? But if you're going to translate it in this question, it means, how old are you? So you're asking a kid, imagine you're asking a kid, 你多大? So that's a different way of asking, how old are you? And it's specifically for kids. This is also one of the common questions that you will be hearing from day to day. Even if you're in the office, even if it's your friends, your colleagues. Let me know if you have heard this question before. 你吃饭了吗? 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 Is this familiar? It means, have you eaten? Have you eaten? 你饿了吗? 你饿了吗? 你饿了吗 means are you hungry? Are you hungry? 你饿了吗你在哪里你在哪里 means where are you? Where are you? You're looking for your friend. Where are you? If you're looking for friends, you're looking for colleagues or anyone. 你在哪你在哪 This is also one of the common questions that you can usually use as well. 你在干嘛你在干嘛你在干嘛 Have you heard of this? It means, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Usually in common introductions, we would have some few questions. So, one of these questions is, 你的工作是什么你的工作是什么 It means, what is your work? Or what do you do? 你的工作是什么工作 means work. 是什么 what is. So, if you're going to say it in a sentence, 你的工作是什么 What is your work? What do you do? What do you do for a living? This question might be common if maybe your friends want to know more about you. Let me know if you have heard this question before. 你住在哪你住在哪 This question means, where do you live? Where do you live? This might be asked if they want to get know more about you. 你喜欢什么你喜欢什么 So this question is like you want to ask someone what is their preference? Maybe you go to a cafe or probably a restaurant and you wanted to ask them, what would you like? You can ask them, 你喜欢吃什么吃 means eat. So what would you like to eat? What would you like to eat? Or maybe you're going to the cafe and you just wanted to ask them, what do you want to drink, right? These are two common questions. So instead of 吃什么 then you're gonna change 吃 to 喝什么你喜欢喝什么你喜欢喝什么 That means, what do you like to drink? What would you like to drink? Smart Chinese learner. Smart Chinese learner. What have you learned? Let me know your comments below. If this video has given you value, please give me a thumbs up. Give us those comments below. And if you haven't subscribed into my channel, please hit that subscribe button below. And I'll see you on my next video. 再见。